Cameraman here, folks! Look where I am. Yeah. Because I'm coughing and hacking, and it's not from the rubber smoke either, guys. I got bronchitis. Just, it happens a couple of times a year with me. But, I'll be fine. And I'm trying not to scream as much, but I don't care. I'm still going to scream. Anyway, my wife was saying, you better get to the doctor. I had friends, you better get to the doctor. People are getting pneumonia. People are dropping like flies from getting sick, and who needs that, you know? But I got my nose was stuffed up. I'm coughing and hacking. Enough of that! Story time, folks! You guys, I think you enjoy the story times. I don't get as much action on the story times, but the guys that watch it, they like it a lot, you know? Another thing, man, we're kicking ass. Close to 60,000 subscribers. Can't even believe it, man. This last year, exactly, I don't even know what today's date is. I don't know. Exactly today, last year, I had 100 subscribers. I just hit 100. I was crazy. If you look back at the video, I think it says like 100 subscriber video. I'm screaming at the phone, I got 99 subscribers. Who's going to be number 100? I was pumped then, and I'm pumped as hell now. I want to hit new heights this year like we never did. We're hitting new venues. We're going all out, man. All out. I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, man, because we're going to go for the 1 million. We ain't stopping until we get it. And you think we're going to stop at 1 million? No, we're not going to stop at 1 million. When we hit the 1 million, that means that this is full time. This is all we're going to do. It's going to be insane. I'm going to have like stuntman jumping like the local burger joint or something on a Saturday night with some hoopty car. It's going to be craziness, man. But, I got a good story time. This one goes back, okay? Years ago, we used to go to the Hamptons a lot. Now, the Hamptons, you hear the Hamptons, you think of all rich people. And yeah, of course there's rich people there. It's a crazy place. You know, Southampton is one of the richest places in the world. But it's a party place also for, you know, teenagers, people in their 20s and this and that, you know? So, hold on, I got to put some chapstick on, man. Lips are chapped. I'm like a disaster over here, guys, but I'll be fine. You know that. Come on. You're talking about cameraman here. Anyway, I'll put this cap back on here. Okay, so I go to the Hamptons, right? And I go with my then girlfriend, who's now my wife. I said, all right, we'll go to the Hamptons. We're going to chill out. It's Labor Day weekend, end of the summer. Now, I sold a car in the beginning of that summer for $2,500. And now, you got to think, when you're 19, 20 years old, $2,500, especially back in 1990, I was like a millionaire. I got it. It's on me. Don't worry about it. Forget about it. By the end of Labor Day weekend, I had about $80 left. And I'm looking at myself going, oh, shit, you're broke. Anyway, so I go to the Hamptons, right? Now, in the Hamptons, there were 2 party beaches. Years ago, it was Hot Dog Beach. I used to go there when I was little with my parents. They were crazy. They were hippies. There'd be bands over there. They'd be drinking and, you know, we're little kids, you know, running around with the live band and everything was craziness. But then Hot Dog Beach isn't there anymore. Now they had Neptunes and Summers. Summers was the place to go. If you couldn't get into Summers, you went over to Neptunes. So we go on the beach, right? So it's me, my girlfriend, who's now my wife, and another couple. So we go, and we don't go right behind Summers because it's crazy. The music's loud. All the kids are getting stupid. So, you know, we're couples. We're going to try and be like adult-like, you know. So we're going to go like maybe 50 yards off to the left. Okay, so we go there, we set up our blanket or whatever. So I look at my wife and I say, come on, let's go. Who's my girlfriend? I said, come on, let's go up to Summers. Let's see what's going on. Maybe we see, you know, some people up there, whatever. So we go up to Summers, and I'm telling you, I'm there about 45 seconds. Who do I see? I see Austin. So Austin's bullshitting with, I don't know if it was his girlfriend at the time, I'm not even sure. And he starts yelling with her. I'm like, oh, here we go. Now, Summers and Neptunes you went to during the day. So now it's a daytime club on the beach. It's up on a big, like a huge deck, and it's cool. There's a lot of people there. The bar is there, you know. So it's packed. It's mobbed. So Austin's screaming at this girl. I guess his girlfriend. I think it was. So he takes his beer and he dumps it over her head. I'm like, what? So he doesn't even see me at this point. So I woke up to him, like, yo, what's going on, man? Oh, fucking bitch, Mooney, screaming. I'm like, gee, here we go. So he he looks over at his girl, and some guy's over there. He's gonna be Mr. Nice Guy. He's gonna clean the beer off her hair. He's got a napkin, you know. Austin goes nuts. Starts swinging at this dude. Now they square off and they're swinging at each other. Within seconds, the bouncers come. Okay, so what the bouncers do is, they're so big at Summers. These guys are like averaging like 6'6", 300-pound dudes. Now Austin was big, man. You know, they pick him up. So now your feet are like, 6 inches off the ground. They walk you to the side of the deck, which has like picture like a dock with like a deck with a railing, and they throw you off the side. It's like 15 feet. So they take Austin and this guy and they throw him over the side. I'm like, what the fuck, man? So I look at my wife. I'm like, damn. So I walk over to the edge and I see he starts brawling with this dude. Now, I'm like, holy shit. And I'm watching and I see now the guy's friends get up and they come in and they're all over Austin. I dive over the side instantly. Wham! And me and Austin are brawling, man. Brawling back to back, swinging hard, getting hit, getting clobbered. I mean, these guys are hitting us with everything, man. We're getting hit with coolers full of beer and ice. Boom, over the back of the head. We're going down, getting back up. Getting hit with folding chairs. Everything these guys could grab, they're cracking us with it, right? Next thing you know, we're swarmed. We're covered. We're under like a dog pile. Just feeling kicks and punches coming in. We're like, fuck. We're screaming. Wah. Next thing you know, boom, we both get up. And these guys back up. Now we're just swinging, cracking. Got anybody coming out, boom, hitting them. We're doing pretty good, right? But you got to understand something. We're now fighting the whole beach. Like, we didn't have our friends there. I didn't even know Austin was there. I just bumped into him out of nowhere. We're brawling hard. And now my wife doesn't get thrown over the side. She doesn't jump. She walks down the exit and she comes. And guys are running up. And as I'm fighting one dude, they're coming up and japping me. Any dude that hit me, my wife run over him. Boom, punched him. Now, girls, I don't recommend this, okay? And I told my wife after, I said, you don't ever do that because guys are stupid, man. Some guys get dumb. You got those idiot dudes that a girl clips them, they're going to hit the girl, man. Very common. It happens, man. So don't do that, girls. It's dangerous. And guys, don't hit girls. If a girl cracks you, man, just stiff arm her and keep her away from you. You know what I mean? I hate hearing about a girl. I have daughters, and my daughters, they're not like that. They wouldn't, they're not like their mother. Anyway, she's going to kill me if she sees this. So now, we are going hard. Next thing you know, we get like separated from these guys, right? And so it's me, Austin, standing there, bloodied up, beat down, man. But we did good. This guy's on the ground. This guy's laying in the sand, right? And it's me, Austin, and my wife, and the whole beach. They're on one side, we're on the other. They're like, come on, motherfucker, let's go, come on. They're screaming at us. I'm like, yo, I look at Austin, let's go, fuck this. My wife's like, they're gonna kill you. There's like 50 of them. I don't give a fuck them. They're holding us back. Next thing you know, out of nowhere, we see this dude come running over. Austin, Mooney, what's up? What the fuck's good? You guys are fighting? Like, yeah, what's up? It's Mike Vella. Mike Vella, okay, was a phenom, like Cro-Magnon beast, okay? So, in other words, when he played football, there'd be 6 guys dragging him, and he'd carry him right into the end zone like it was nothing. Unstoppable beast. We knew him from the gym. We knew him from being an incredible fighter, and just a tough dude, man. Like, he'd be in the gym, not like a super bodybuilder kind of guy, He'd just be lifting these weights. You'd be like, what did this guy just, he was phenomenal athletic dude, and he was tough. He's like, yeah? So some guy's like, come here, tough guy, come here, motherfucker. Talking to Vella. Vella walks over, because we're exhausted, we're beat up, bleeding. We're like, we look like the Spartans in their last fight, Mike Vella walks over there. Come here, you motherfucker. Grabs the dude by his neck. Come here. Boom, boom, boom. He's clipping the guy. Beats the shit out of the guy. So now we hear cops. I'm like, fuck, man. So I say to Vella, let's get the fuck out of here, man. So Vella's like, don't worry, I got it, boys. I'm out of here. So he goes to his blanket, lays down. He's fine. Me and Austin are a mess. We're a bloody fucking mess. I go, Austin, follow me. We go down to the ocean. Right? This is right on the ocean, this Summers Beach. And it's on Dune Road. It was cool. Google it, man. Fun place. We go in the water, rinse off. I said, Austin, the cops are looking for us right now. Now, the cops are on their 4x4 quads, and they're standing there looking around. They're looking. They're shooting over people, are pointing. I'm like, fuck. We get in the water, clean all the blood off of us, rinse ourselves off. Okay, I'm getting texts. Anyway, so now we go and we walk. Don't forget, I'm 50 yards away. I say to my wife, let's go, let's go. Don't look at anybody. I said, get the chairs, get everything, get the cooler, and let's get the fuck out of here. We go 50 yards. Now we're down, so we're going out of a different entrance, not the Summers. So we kind of like backdoor the parking lot. We get into the car, nice and cool. I said, everybody cool. Relax, we're out of here. And I drive right the fuck out of here. I go down Dune Road and we're gone. That night, I'm telling you, I took 15 Advils. I definitely had a concussion. You know those chairs that go click, 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 and they got like a gear on them? Okay? I had of course I had the blonde hair on the top, short on the sides. I had scrape marks here, the gear marks here, my back, gear marks. They were beating the shit out of us with everything. I didn't really take it that bad on the face. I didn't get like black eyes or anything, you know. I kind of, was covering up. I was doing my best, but we found out later that 4 dudes went away in ambulances. We would get on a guy and just be rocking him, getting fucking hit and just doing everything we could, just pounding the shit out of everybody. But guys would see us in the diner, yo, you fucking guys killed it, man. Oh, yo, you okay? Austin had a few bumps and bruises. He was all banged up too. But I ended up hanging out with Austin for like the rest of the weekend because we had a place where we were sleeping. He stayed with us. And, it was the very beginning of the weekend. So we had to watch our backs like the whole weekend because we didn't even know who we were fighting, man. They probably would remember us, So we're just like laying low, and man, I'm telling, I never in my life had a headache like this. My wife's like, you can't go to sleep. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. Lucky I woke up. But that's what you do when you're young, and you go into the Hamptons, and you just, you go. We probably went there with $100 in our pockets, man, and it was fun, man. We had a lot of fun. I got a lot of Summers Beach stories, man. That's the only time I ever fought at Summers, but every time I bump into Austin, man, we'd be brawling. It was insanity. Oh, I got a funny story, right? Me and Austin, at the time, we were jacked up. We were working out, So this is like the next day. So we go to the Hampton Bays Diner, which is right. If you've ever been there, you see the diner as soon as you get there, and it's closed now. They just closed it, which kind of sucks. But anyway, we're in the diner, and we say to, my wife and his girl, go to the bathroom. So we get up, we go to the bathroom, whatever, get ready, wash our hands, whatever, bullshit. We come back, and there were these 2 fucking guys, right? They're sitting with my girlfriend and his girlfriend. The phone, guys, if this phone doesn't ring, it's bad luck when I'm doing a video. So we walk up to the table. Now we come back. Austin's huge. I'm huge. We didn't say one word. We just stared at them like this. Next thing you know, these guys just go like this. Okay, bye, sorry. Okay, we're just gonna go back over to our table. We just were like this, me and Austin. They're funny, man. That's what it was. That's what it was all. We didn't work out to get girls. We worked out to be like, the wrestlers. Like, we were gonna kill everybody. I'll kill you. That was the mentality when we were kids. I don't know if you guys ever heard of the wrestlers, Hawk and Animal, the Road Warriors. In our minds, that's what we were. You know what I mean? And it was crazy, man. But anyway, a little story time about the Hamptons and Austin and just, crazy stuff that we did. And lucky we didn't get arrested. Lucky we didn't end up in jail. Because if we would have got locked up in the Hamptons, forget it. They would have thought it was the worst thing in the world. Well, it was a little fight on the beach. Big deal. But, guys, we're going for the million, man. We're going for it. I got to go to the pharmacy. I got to get all this shit. They told me I got to take prednisone. Prednisone bugs me out, so you guys are going to probably see some funny videos. I'm going to be really cranky and edgy. I'm on prednisone. I'm a baby, man. I'm telling you, if I went crazy on antibiotics once. It's weird. I don't know. I'm very sensitive. That's why I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do anything. Too sensitive to it. But thank God I don't. Imagine I'd be even worse. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, man. We're going for the million. We're going for the million. Hit that subscribe button. My daughter's calling me right now anyway. Love you guys, man. Neutral Drop family. We're going all the way.